Welcome back. 3D printing firms in Singapore are seeing more requests to produce gun and vape parts, with one reporting a 50% increase on year. While they have rejected such requests, they add that it's becoming harder to spot which designs could be illegal. Nasyrah Rohim finds out why.
In the past 5 years, Hadik Dobaria has rejected around 25 prints related to gun parts on his platform, most of them just last year.
We had this one particular user, they separated their gun into 200 subcomponents and uploaded them separately, some via email, some directly to our platform.
Factorum isn't alone. Of the 8 3D printing firms CNA spoke to, 6 reported that they have received requests to print what they suspect to be gun or vape parts.
Some of them could look like maybe a gun barrel or just a handle with a trigger that potentially look like a firearm weapon, for example.
When asked by CNA, the Singapore Police Force pointed us to the recent legislation that came into force in July. It bans 3D printing guns and its parts and having their blueprints, though one lawyer says there are ways for firms to protect themselves.
I think to be prudent, given that that is a specific defense to an offense of possession when it's received in an unsolicited manner, the prudent thing for firms generally would be to, well, destroy them to the extent that they have possession of it. And if they, for some reason, not only have the digital components, but physical blueprints themselves, they should surrender them to the police.
But spotting illegal requests is becoming harder. Some printers have seen requests to produce accessories such as vape cases or those that may be used to conceal or hide vapes to possibly bypass import restrictions. 3D printing services firms tell me that such parts are getting easy to find online or even generated using AI. For them, it's getting harder to spot whether a request could eventually be used to make something illegal, especially when the design comes from clients themselves. And when it comes to vapes, some tell me that the parts could be mistaken to be plastic components, making it difficult to flag. Even so, companies are stepping up safeguards to clamp down on such requests. At least one claims to have filed a digital police report. Others are increasing oversight over print jobs.
Our platform uses AI to do all the transactions, everything from instant pricing or never-before-seen designs to providing design feedback and finding the right manufacturers. When the platform detects that there are gun-like components, there's a human intervention required. So our algorithm stops them, requires our team to come in to take a look whether this is a legitimate inquiry and what the purpose of this is.
We also search the file names to see if it tallies with any weapon product name or any weapon that can be sourced online. So these are the due diligence that we do as well.
Most firms say they keep up to date with laws on their own. But some are calling for clearer regulations, such as requiring customers to declare that their prints are compliant and catch illegal designs before they are made.